Hyundai has officially revealed the all-new Ioniq 3, a compact Aero Hatch designed specifically for the European market. Positioned as a versatile entry for young families and everyday drivers, the Ioniq 3 utilizes Hyundai's Art of Steel design philosophy, featuring a sleek, low front end and a distinctive roofline optimized for a class-leading drag coefficient of 0.263. This aerodynamic silhouette is paired with an interior following a furnished space approach, leveraging a flat floor layout to provide upper segment roominess in a generous 441-liter luggage capacity, which includes an integrated Megabox for concealed storage. Built on the Electric-Global Modular Platform with a 400-volt architecture, the Ioniq 3 offers two battery configurations, a 42.2 kilowatt-hour battery for the standard range trim with a projected 344 kilometer range and a 61 kilowatt-hour long-range battery version targeting up to 496 kilometers. Both variants are powered by a front-wheel drive motor delivering up to 147 horsepower and 250 newton meters of torque. Charging is similarly efficient, with DC fast charging capable of taking the battery from 10 to 80% in approximately 29 minutes, while an optional 22 kilowatt AC charging capability supports faster home and public charging. The Ioniq 3 also serves as the European debut for the Plios Connect infotainment system, an Android Automotive OS-based interface featuring displays up to 14.6 inches and seamless integration for navigation and vehicle customization. Safety is prioritized through the latest Hyundai SmartSense suite, which includes Highway Driving Assist 2, Remote Smart Parking Assist, and a blind spot view monitor. Designed in Europe and manufactured at the İzmit plant in Turkey, the Ioniq 3 is a cornerstone of Hyundai's commitment to electrify its entire European lineup by 2027. Guys, what do you think about the new car? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.